Pugster, and in this video, I'm playing some more Halo 4, and I am being joined by Sausage and Muffin, aka Ryan and Ben, and we are going to be doing some capture the flag, I think it was, wasn't it? So, oh no, that's unfair! That's unfair! Give me the gun! You stupid! That's unfair! Sausage muffin. Yeah, sausage muffin. Hi, sausage muffin. I'm gonna take you down. Oh, that's it. Come on. Wait, that wasn't the right way. Okay. Ben doesn't know how to drive. That's official. He can. Got it. Wow, there was a flipping end.
Carrying flag.
Who's that? Oh, okay. Got wrecked. Run! We haven't done capture the flag. Absolutely amazing. Literally. When was the last time I did? The last time I did capture the flag was on my birthday with Ollie, Jay, and Liam.
Carrying flag.
I'm dead. I am dead. Yes. And so are you! You're going to be dead! You're going to be dead! Yes, it is. Well, whoever it is, you're going to die.
Protect your flag. Enemy flag down.
Okay, run! I'm gonna get this flag.
Carrying flag.
Where are you? Yes! Oh! Sausage, you're going down. Muffin! Yeah, no.
Carrying flag.
Yeah. You killed Muffin. Yeah, no. I am not blind!
Flag runner.
Oh, that reminds me of that video where it goes, it's a magical pony flying to the sky and a magical one full day. Shoot it down. Okay. What?
He scored.
You! How dare you! How dare you! Oh, hello. Circle running! This is so fun. Blue. What?
Carrying flag. Protect your flag.
Ryan, look at my screen. What? Where am I? What? Oh yeah, I forgot about the boost. So, I can come in like an indestructible person! Yay! Hello, I am indestructible.
Carry your kill. Protect your flag.
I can't even be bothered to defend it.
Carrying flag.
T-Rex.
Oh, that was such a good kill.
Carrying flag.
No! Oh, sorry, Dodge. No. Alright, just run to where our flag is.
Team scored. Next point wins.
Alright, Ben, we need Oh! We killed each other at the same time! That was awesome. I'm just gonna go.
Suicide.
No. Ben suicided himself. Full stop.
Carrying flag.
Come on. Run! Oh, faster. No!
Suicide.
That's pretty impressive since it was 1v2.
Game over.
We'll do that match again.
Can we do it free for all?
Yeah.
So,
So,
what are you gonna?
so.
Apparently, I sound Australian
Yeah.
at the end of every. Oh.
So.
So.
All I can speak Australian.
Bleh.
Let's start that game again, but free for all.
Let's start a. Should we do an? Let's do Vortex this time. It's the same thing.
Free.
So.
Muffin change team
Yeah.
to gold team.
Okay. I'm just gonna stick to them. Now it's free for all.
Free for all.
Free.
Free
Free for all.
for all.
Free for all. Free for all. Oh yeah, just remembered. Happy Valentine's Day. I just remembered. Happy Valentine's. Yay!
Capture the flag.
I am a lion. I am a lion.
I got a sniper. I got a sniper. Oh, okay. I'm gonna drive. I don't know why, but I just love this. I'm gonna drive this. It's so little and speedy. It's awesome. No, go away. Go away. What the heck? Where are you? Oh, yeah. No, go away. Leave me and my mongoose alone. No! I was stuck. Oh yeah, that was Ryan. I keep thinking Ryan's Ben. Roll. Hi. Go away. Go away. I'm going after my walls. Hey, why not? How about we both go after red? Oh yeah, okay. Let's go after both.
Carrying flag.
So that's that. I'm gonna try snipe. How do I zoom in again? I forgot how to zoom in. Look at these guys. I forgot. Oh, I can't zoom in. No, like further. I thought you could zoom in twice as much on it. Oh, sausage is you. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't know.
Wow.
I get confused. It said kill, so I just killed. I got a sticky detonator. And you don't want to know what that does. Oh, it's me. It's me, Mario. Hello, it's me, Mario. It's me, Mario. Where is Ben gone? So basically, what this does, you fire at someone, and then you and then it sticks to them, and then yeah, and then you can blow it up whenever you like. Let's go to his flag. Wait, I'm gonna go in this little mongoose, even though it's like just what? I found him. That's yeah, that's me. Stick it in it.
No!
Yes!
No!
Just in time, I detonated it.
Carrying
I
flag.
detonated it. Okay, I'm gonna try and snipe. Wait, why not next round we just put each other on the same team? Yeah.
Protect your flag. Enemy flag down.
Alright.
Carrying flag.
took over from the...
Protect your flag. Enemy flag down.
Roll. Yo, Ryan.
Yeah?
Get in the back of this. Wherever you are. I don't know where you are. No, you're gonna try sticky detonate me. Okay. I'm just gonna drive towards it. Oh, hi.
Whoa!
Wait. Oh, wait, no! I just ran Ben over and it exploded. Oh. Good time. I'm in a warthog. I'm trying to get to Ben in a very awkward way. Eh. Oh, I'm here. Oh wait, there's Ben. Ramming. Hi. 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 Get wrecked. Please, just get wrecked. Just die. Okay.
Carrying flag.
That's mine. You got my flag! What the heck? It's so people see! It's so people see! Let me shoot him in the butt! Let me shoot him in the butt!
Protect your flag. Enemy flag down. Carrier kill.
That was nice. Oh, sticky detonator. I'm gonna steal it. Steal it. What? Now we're on a team. Okay. Ben, can you hear us? That's good. It's also a bad thing because that proves he's deaf. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's me.
Flag reset.
Okay. Where's Ben? I'm just gonna go. I see him. Target locked. Damn it! No, miss! Okay. Shoot him down. He's near his base. Yeah. Oh, I see him. I see his vehicle. Just this hitches bit. I see him. Am I actually hitting you? Am I hitting you?
Yeah.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, everything's turning purple. Oh, I've turned into a unicorn! Yeah! Yeah, look! Aw. Everything's turning purpley pink. Yeah. Where are you? Where are you?
He's in his base.
Well, I just found a secret way into his base. Where is the flag? Well, I literally just found a secret way into his base, so I got his flag. Congratulations, me! Oh! Oh, friend left on me. I thought that was Ben just like... yeah. Come on. No! No, run! Ryan! Protect me! Yeah, he delivered it. Oh, that's me.
Carrying flag.
Hey, what the heck? You idiot!
You got Ben.
Let me think about it. No. No, wait, you can get Ben's next one. Not mine.
Enemy flag.
Just get Ben's. Oh.
Yes.
Snipe him. Snipe him!
Yes, yes.
Snipe him! 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 For God's sake, just snipe him.
Deliver.
Flag runner.
I'm gonna
No, I'm
freaking
gonna
kill you.
lose.
I'm gonna freaking kill you. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead to me. Where are you? What the heck? Oh, hi. Hey, what the heck? What the heck? Whoa, look at that. That was awesome.
I got
Flag defense.
Oh, yeah.
You got cooked.
Yeah.
No! Ben's winning! No! Okay, we need to kill Ben. So he's winning. We have just above 5 minutes left to kill him. Oh, no way. No way I got rocket launcher.
5 minutes remain.
Look at this! Oh! Look at this! Look at this! This is. I know where you are. I'm just not killing you because I'm kind. Kill him! I'm just gonna drive it a bit closer. That rocket launcher and that absolutely awesome.
Carrying flag.
Oh, you got protected.
Hey. I see Ben. Shoot him down. What? No, he missed him. What? Oh, that didn't. What the heck? That was freaking.
No, he's coming up.
I don't know when that. Oh!
Protect your
I'm just gonna.
carrying flag.
Oh no, he has my vehicle. He has my vehicle! Run! Run as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man. Pretty
Oh,
safe.
yeah.
No! I'm turning. I think I'm turning. Run! Faster! Yes!
Runner. Next point.
Faster,
wins.
Fry! Can't hear anything.
Carrying flag.
Wait, no one's allowed to kill me.
You didn't see me here, did you? Did you? Ryan's just out. Ryan's just. Whoa. That's really good. I'm getting the the gun. I'm getting the gun. What? Where are you? Where are you? Where?
Flag reset.
Sausage! Oh, hi, sausage! Hi, sausage! Oh, hi, sausage!
Oh well, hello. Well, that looks. Wherever you are, I'm doing it again.
Oh!
Where's Ben? Can I just say this between me and Ben? Oh, I know where he is. 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 He's in your base.
Oh. I'm in my base, mate.
Carrying flag.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you. I just got another flag.
No!
Carrying
It doesn't
flag.
matter if you capture
30
it.
seconds
You do know
left.
that. Just move. I won't kill you if you don't kill me. No. No, don't. Don't!
Come and get my flag.
I have. Oh, wait, no, I ain't. Whose flag
10
is this? I
seconds.
forgot. Oops. Well, I accidentally did that. No, it won't let me go back down. Run! Oh, okay. Woo! I still got my flag. Okay, we're gonna have one game of Gripple, and then sadly we are going to have to end this video. But that's after the Gripple.
Yeah.
Wait, Gripball's 2-player. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't play it. Okay, it's fun, you know.
How about we have one game of... Yeah, how about that? No, because you'll have to disconnect the controller. I can't.
Slayer.
Yeah, let's have a quick game of Slayer. Let's go to... Yeah, we haven't been there in a while.
Is it this the zombie one?
No,
What is it?
Slayer.
Oh, you kill each other.
Yeah.
I just need to tell Jack where we are.
Okay. Wait, is Jack coming back?
Infinity
Is
Slayer.
Jack coming back? Death Bow! Is Jack coming?
The enemy team.
Am I telling him where we are? He already knows. Well, straight away, I just got the best, one of probably the best, best melee weapon in the game. So that's good. That's a good start. I love it. No, it's the best melee weapon. An energy sword. One hit kill. I see Ben. I see Muffin. Muffin, you come back there with your pastriness. Oh wait, no, it's not pastry. Yeah, no, I just realised it's doughiness. Yeah. Woo! We'll get wrecked.
Oops.
Click B. Oh, I see Ben. Ben's going down. What the heck? Wait, what? It's a roof. Shabam! Oops. Ooh. I got no wings anymore! Look at my wings! I can't fly. I bet.
Did I kill you?
No, I ran you over, which made your vehicle explode, my vehicle on fire, so I'm gonna run away. And I'm gonna stab someone in the balls with this. Oh, hi. Hi, don't mind me. I just want to stab you in the balls. Don't mind me. Real. It's a fake one!
What?
I got the hologram punk.
What? How did you get the hologram?
Get rid! I just hijacked his car. you just got hijacked. That's what it feels like. Get robbed. No, no, I heard that. I heard that. You guys couldn't hear that. So Ben just whispered to Ryan for them to team up. No! Because I'm amazing at killing people. Even though I'm so struggling at this level. Hi. 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 Hi, friends. Oh.
Me.
What the? What's this?
Request confirmed.
What? What?
Speed boost.
What? How did I do that? How did I do that? It just gave me the option between some of the really cool stuff. And now I got speed boost. I think it's for the rest of the game. Is it? I think I got speed boost for the rest of the game.
8 minutes.
Yeah.
Hey Ollie, you just passed me.
Hey. You have a railgun. Railguns are awesome. Why, thank you, my friend. Hello.
Energy sword.
No! My energy!
And the railgun. Thanks, God.
Hello, it's me, Ollie B, and I'm gonna kill you because you're gonna
Go away.
sausage. Get wrecked. No, Ryan's literally just left the room. Literally. Oh my god, he's just literally rage quitted out of the room.
I can see his dead body.
Can you?
And why you killed him.
Ugh. Oh, Ryan's back. Everybody's doing. Oh, hi, Jack.
Oh, hi.
We're recording.
Are you recording?
And we're playing.
Halo.
Yeah.
Run, run, run.
This can't even do anything. This stupid. This stupid. This is the most stupidest vehicle ever. Why would you want to find it? Huh?
Oh! 2 kills.
Rocket launcher. Rocket launcher. 2 words. Something amount of syllables. Rocket launcher. Oh no! No! I knew! It was so quiet. I knew you didn't have to be behind me. I knew it.
Who shooted me? Who shot me? Who shot me?
Okay, do you want me to tell you? It was your mum. It was your mum! It was your mum! Yes! Yes! I accidentally threw a grenade! Oh my god, that was probably the time where grenades actually got me. Oh, what the
Got a shot. Go to the shooting. Go away.
It's not me, so it's Ben.
No, don't kill me, Ryan. I can't.
Hey, what the heck? Go away! Go away!
No, Ryan, pick up my sword. It was sick. Not my sword.
You what? You scat shot?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Not you.
Oh, I've already got it, sorry. I'm getting this rocket launcher. RPG. Get RPG! What? Alvin. Now's your opportunity to do what I did to you. But you failed the opportunity. It's gone the time. It's gone the time. Okay. Where is everyone? I see. Where is it then? I can see my dead body. I'm shooting myself. Yay, so fun.
Ran out of ammo.
At least you get a refill.
Well, I don't have to do
Oh. And a crap assault rifle. Wait, no. Wait, is that assault rifle? Yeah. I think it is. Yeah. I'm last, I think. Wait, no, I'm first! Yes!
I'm lost. Terrible.
Where? It's too silent. It is too silent. Ba 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 ba. Potato na. Oh! Oh do do! 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 Potato na. Damn it na. You're missing the opportunity. That is a very strangely shaped whatever it is.
Oh no.
RPG! Punk!
Yes!
What?
Welcome kill.
Stupid. He's a. You want to team up on him?
Yeah.
No!
I'm out of ammo.
Suicide.
Yes! You don't get that gun anymore. Oh yeah, I just remembered. I can do something. Yo, you want to come and kill me?
Nah.
Why not? Why? What? Why not?
1 minute left.
Did you just literally punch that wall? Ben, I'm coming after you! I'm coming after you!
Thank you, Ryan.
Ryan, I'm coming after you!
Where?
It's a freaking hologram! Yes!
Wait, no, what's in
I was teaming, I didn't realise.
You said that!
I didn't realise. I thought you declined the offer.
Ten
10 seconds to stay alive and not get killed, so I win. I'm gonna go riding on my mongoose.
Oh, I'm trying to kill you! Yes!
I was doing a donut.
Yeah.
Wait, speaking of donuts, I'm hungry. Oh yeah. Oh, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. If this is the first time you've seen this channel, please do subscribe. Check out Ryan, Jack, and Ben channel called JBR21 Lewis. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.